It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking that never takes the chance. It's the one who won't be taken, who cannot seem to give, and the soul afraid of dying that never learns to live. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you think that love is only for the lucky and the strong, just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snows, lies a seed that with the sun's love in the spring becomes the rose.
And they called it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels, and why I love her so. And they called it puppy love, just because we're 17. Tell them all that, tell them that it's fair to take away my only dream. I cry each night, my tears for you, my tears are all in vain. I hope and I pray that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. Someone help me please. Is the answer up above? How can I ever tell them this is not a puppy love? Someone help me please. Is the answer up above? How can I tell